Man, it's your girl D. I'm going to be reacting to the singer named Sharon. Bryant, I say new because I don't know who she is, you guys, but make sure you follow me on my Instagram, you guys. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share. Turn on my post notifications so you guys don't ever miss when I post, and let's get into it. I know that it's passing someone somehow will be there, ready to share. I need a love that's strong. I'm so tired of being alone, but will my lonely heart bear the part of a fool again? Before I begin, foolish heart, hear me call and stop before you start falling. Foolish heart, heed my warning. You've been wrong before, don't be wrong anymore. I'm feeling that feeling again, and I'm begging the dream I can't seem to win. Love's knocking on the door of my heart once more. Think I let him in before I begin. I need a love that's strong. I need it. I'm so tired of being alone, but will my lonely heart play the part of a fool again? Before I begin, foolish heart, hear me call. Stop before you start falling. Foolish heart, heed my warning. You've been wrong before. Foolish heart, hear me calling. Stop before you start falling. Foolish heart, heed my warning. You've been wrong, you've been wrong. Foolish heart. Foolish, foolish heart. Oh, you've been wrong before, and I can't take it anymore. Okay, so that was the end of the song, you guys. I think. I definitely enjoyed this performance, you guys. I definitely do not think that this was the full version. I doubt it, but if anybody have heard this song before, but like they have like seen the live version or recorded a live version, please just let me know, because it's like when I looked up this song, it's like this was like the only like live version that I was like really able to find. I guess she didn't perform this song like that often, and I wanted to react to this amazing song from her, but I wanted to do it live, and this was just like the only version I was able to find. But if somebody have a better version, please just comment down below and just let me know. But I definitely enjoyed this song. I just wish that it was longer, and I definitely don't think that it was the full version of this song, but I definitely enjoyed her harmony. It definitely was sick. It definitely was mind-blowing. It definitely reminds me of a young Tracy Spencer. It definitely reminds me of her type of style of music, and I definitely enjoyed the harmony and just how it had like the higher range with like the the low range notes like, you know, mixed together, but it was like a smooth transition. And then I just like how it just showed like that black love, you know, just that black magic, you know, what love really was back then, you know, for just a lot of black people, you know, and just, you know, other cultures in general, you know, where people would dance to that type of music on Soul Train, and actually wouldn't be afraid to just show who they is, or just show they love, or just wouldn't be afraid to be on camera with that person and actually, you know, just dancing with them and just loving on them, you know, and the whole world just watching, you know. So I definitely enjoyed that concept and just what Soul Train was, you know, just for the black people and just for the black community, really, and just for, you know, other cultures too, but really mainly for just black people in general. And it's like, you don't see that today, you know. So I definitely enjoyed this song. It was so beautiful, and I just wanted to give, you know, artists like her, who is just very underrated, just wanted to give them their moment and their time to, like, you know, shine and stuff. So I like to do that from artists that I don't know, but you guys may know, but they not like, you know, big like that in the music community, or they was successful, but it's just like people never really knew about them, you know. And sometimes, you know, a lot of people from the 70s and 80s and 90s, they, you know, people knew of their music back then, but it's like they wouldn't get big until like 20, 30 some years later, you know, when people just actually finding out about their music, if that makes sense. And that's the part I hate. But I definitely enjoyed this concept, you guys, this song, this beautiful song. And with that being said, make sure you follow me on my Instagram, you guys, and make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe, and turn on my post notifications so you guys don't miss anything when I post. Make sure you guys check out my Instagram, that's also in the bio. And we out. Peace.